All right, got a it's like a 2020 M2 Freightliner. It does have hydraulic brakes on it, and it's got a wheel seal. You can see all the oil. I'm gonna be doing a wheel seal on this today. Take this apart. The only thing I do is take the caliper off, take these 4 bolts out, and then your hub is usual. Just take this cap off and get the nut out of there. I'll show you all that. All you gotta do is take the caliper off. Sometimes I only take 1 bolt out and flip it up. I don't know if it'll stay up or not. So let's here, go grab some tools and we'll start taking this puppy apart. All right, guys, I got it all apart. It just needs to be cleaned up. I will clean it up. It's the hard part of the job, cleaning all this oil off everything. Here's the rotor that's off. All that needs to be cleaned. And I use degreaser and water to clean all this up. So we're gonna get after it. All right, got everything cleaned up. Seal, bearing. All this is cleaned up. All clean. Ready to put it back together. The bearing gonna wipe off, cone, that. So, all right, let's get after it. All right, got the spindle all back together. Hub's all back in. This is all full of oil. It's all full. I'll check it again before I release the vehicle. All right, guys, got it all back together. The hub all back on there. Brake shoes are on. Replace these. New brake pads. Valve is all cleaned up. Take this out. Take these out. Make sure you grease that. Just clean that off and put some new grease on it. Do both of them. So, all right, guys, I want to take this time to thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, comment. You all know what to do. See ya.